Hey everyone, welcome back. Imagine walking into a room and feeling completely unstoppable. No second guessing, no nervous glances, just pure confidence. Sounds amazing, right? Today I'm going to share 5 powerful mind hacks to help you master confidence. By the end, you'll be equipped with tools to transform your confidence for good. So stick around, because this will change the way you think. Alright, first up, it all starts in your mind. The way you talk to yourself can either build your confidence up or tear it down. I want you to think about this. Would you talk to a friend the way you talk to yourself? Often, we say things like, "I'm not good enough," or "I can't do this." But how often do we remind ourselves of our strengths? Studies show that practicing positive self-talk can actually rewire your brain. And one great way to start is by saying daily affirmations. Try this. Every morning, look in the mirror and say 3 positive things about yourself. They could be as simple as, "I am capable," or "I deserve success." Small changes like these can have a huge impact. Take someone like Serena Williams. She constantly uses positive self-talk and affirmations before her games. And it's this mindset that's made her one of the most successful athletes ever. Now, let's talk about a tool used by athletes, musicians, and even CEOs: visualization. Visualization is when you mentally rehearse a situation before it happens. Think of it as a practice round, but in your mind. Try this exercise. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in a situation where you need confidence. Picture the details, how you look, how you sound, even the way people respond. The more you practice this, the more confident you'll feel when that moment actually arrives. Let's try this now. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Picture yourself walking into a room with your head held high, shoulders back, and a confident smile. Imagine speaking clearly, making eye contact, feeling calm and sure of yourself. Remember, your brain can't tell the difference between real and imagined experiences, so use that to your advantage. Our next confidence hack is all about having a growth mindset. Think about this. Do you see setbacks as failures or learning experiences? A growth mindset means you're not afraid to make mistakes, because you see them as steps forward. Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, saw every failure as a lesson. Instead of being discouraged, he learned from each setback. So let's turn failures into feedback. Start by journaling each time something doesn't go as planned. Write down what happened, but also note what you learned. Over time, you'll see patterns and realize that confidence is about progress, not perfection. Now, let's talk about body language. Did you know your posture affects how confident you feel? Simple things like standing up straight, maintaining eye contact, and using open gestures can actually boost your confidence. Here's an exercise you can try: power posing. Before your next big event, stand tall with your hands on your hips and take deep breaths for 2 minutes. This posture actually releases testosterone and lowers cortisol, making you feel powerful. Try it out and see the difference. Lastly, confidence isn't built overnight. It's like a muscle. The more you work it, the stronger it gets. And one way to do this is by taking small, consistent actions every day. For example, if speaking up in a meeting makes you nervous, start by contributing one idea each time. If meeting new people is hard, practice striking up a quick conversation with a cashier. These small steps build momentum, and soon you'll notice your confidence growing in bigger situations too. Today, I challenge you to choose one thing outside your comfort zone and go for it. Leave a comment below on what you did. I'd love to cheer you on. So, let's recap. To master confidence, remember these 5 things: positive self-talk, visualization, a growth mindset, confident body language, and small daily actions. Think of this as a toolbox. Each time you need a boost, you can pull out one of these tools. And here's the best part. I'm challenging you to a 7-day confidence challenge. For the next week, try one of these tips every day and see how it transforms the way you think and feel. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button for more tips on personal growth and confidence. And let me know in the comments, which of these 5 tips are you most excited to try? Thanks for watching, and remember, confidence is a journey. Keep growing, keep shining, and I'll see you in the next video.